Science. Simply precision farming that has 140 acres is an hydroponic-based farm, aided by cutting-edge global technology and driven by AI-based perform, specifically AI-controlled greenhouse which provide optimum growing conditions and different technologies for the whole operations.
Automated greenhouse filters the different varieties of plant in ideal ecosystem. Germination chamber, controlling the light, humidity, and temperature for better germination of seeds. Conveyor system transfer germinated seeds to a nursery.
AI-assisted multi-layer retrievable room, climate sensor and fogging system, help in filtering ultraviolet rays and maintain temperature and humidity in the greenhouse.
For example, of FarmGPT's man-made rainwater harvesting body ensures sustainability of natural resources, profiling, monitoring plants at every stage of its life cycle, where it harvests each crop at the right time and produces a product that is perfect for the next stage. Nutrient dosing technique is used to feed the plants. The nutrient is mixed with reverse osmosis and ultraviolet rays treated water to ensure optimum plant health and higher yields at the time of harvest. The watered plants receive is only the amount required, which 1/10 of the water are used in traditional farming.
So, Simply Fresh products are not just distributed locally, but it is also distributed from any various clients like hotels, nutraceutical companies, retail outlets, and also corporations. So, dili lang pud kay dinhala na sila taman. They also exported their products from various countries like Singapore, New York, and then London, Hyderabad. So, ang ilahang mga products is nagtuyok and then they provided or they contributed a lot of businesses, labors, employments. So daghan na nakakwarta pa sa ilahang ginabuhat. So dili lang kay ganang sila ra ang naka-profit apel po ng lain tao, especially sa ilang country kay gabayad man sila taxes sa ilang pag-export. So daghan gid sila natabang. So sa political impact, though wala sila nag-mention gid about sa nagid sila impact sa ilang politics, but sa gi-highlight ko lang nila nga sustainable practices, food safety, consistent something assurance sa ilang products is very promising, o kanang dili pa sila basta-basta kaingon dani nga kanang ingana sila safe ilang products, so wala sila ni sunod sa standard. So from yung kag standard, so nagid ang ilahang different sectors nga nabilong ani nga field is labi na mga organizations like hawid ba Japan sila sa politiko sa government, I mean sa government. So involved Japan sila, gabayan sila tax, gasunod sila sa standard implementation kay para nga safe ilang products. So mura gina ko sa politics ko lang